In this video, we're going to learn how to add assets, both from the asset library and from your local machine. So let's get started. All right, I'm here in the default lighting scene template. And to add assets from the asset library, we click on Import Assets up here above the canvas. And when the asset library populates, you'll have several different entities or objects, assets to add to your scene. So let's just look at this chair. We'll add this. And then when I have it selected, I click Add. And when you're bringing things in from the asset library, it's important to remember they're not going to appear automatically in your Entities panel or in your canvas. So you want to find them down here in the Assets panel. And the most important thing you're looking for, the asset type, is the Entities icon, which is this hexagon. And if you want to filter down to the entities, everything that's all entities in your asset library or in your asset panel, just click on the entities filter. And then you drag that entity type, asset type, onto your canvas. And then it'll appear up in the entities panel and also in your canvas. To zoom in on it, I click the F key, or to frame it in the canvas, there it is. Great, that's how you add it from the asset library. If you want to bring something in from your local machine, all you need to do is just drag it onto your canvas. So I'm just bringing in this light switch entity, and it automatically appeared into the canvas. And I'll move the chair out of the way. There's my light switch. I'll press the F key to zoom in and frame it in the middle of my canvas. And that's it.